Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Ledger wallet. First, carefully unbox your new Ledger device and ensure all components are present, including the device itself, a USB cable, and recovery sheets. Connect your Ledger to your computer using the provided USB cable. The device screen should light up, indicating it is powered on and ready for initial setup. This simple first step prepares your hardware for secure cryptocurrency management. Next, you will set up a personal identification number, or PIN, directly on your Ledger device. Choose a strong PIN, between 4 and 8 digits long, and confirm it carefully. The device will then generate a unique 24-word recovery phrase. This phrase is your master key. Write it down precisely on the provided recovery sheets and store it in a very safe, private location. Never share this phrase with anyone. Now, download and install the official Ledger Live application from the Ledger website onto your computer. Once installed, open Ledger Live and follow the on-screen instructions to connect your Ledger device. The software will guide you through a quick authenticity check to ensure your device is genuine. This essential step links your hardware wallet to the user-friendly interface for managing your digital assets securely. With Ledger Live set up, you can now install various cryptocurrency applications directly onto your Ledger device. For example, install the Bitcoin app to manage your Bitcoin. You can then send and receive cryptocurrencies by following the clear instructions within Ledger Live, always confirming transactions on your device. Remember to keep your Ledger Live software updated for optimal security and functionality, ensuring your assets remain protected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.